Hi, this is Steve Nomura in Chicago. Today I came to one of my properties in Indiana, Dyer, Indiana. I bought this property 3 months ago. It was estate sale, and then I decided to use this house for short-term rentals. Therefore, for that purposes, we started this project. I'm standing in the living area. Behind me, I made this kind of little bit decoration on the walls. There's some lights on the top, and you can feel some different feeling, right? And if you use this house for short-term rentals, we have to compete with the hotels. Therefore, I made some decoration on the walls. First one here, you can see some differences. Then we can put the couch here. Then on the other side, okay, this is the outlet for TV mount. You can put the couch here, then you can watch TV on this side. Then this is a small area, but I have some table for meal. Okay? We don't have any specific dining rooms, therefore we're gonna put a table here. Then you can go into the kitchen. I made a brand new kitchen. It's a nice cabinet, 42-inch cabinet, and granite countertop. I'm gonna install appliances today. Then on this side, okay, this is some space for the eating. Therefore, I'm gonna put some table. Above this table, I'm gonna put speakers. There's 2 speakers in the living room, 1 speaker here. Therefore, we can connect with the cell phone with the outlet, and then we can hear the music from the speaker. Here, this is a small effort to make some different feeling. Okay. So this is the kitchen, and then it's brand new kitchen. Let's go upstairs. This is the bathroom. We made a brand new bathroom here. Yeah, with lights, sink, toilet, and then this is the bathtub. Then this time we're gonna put the shower head from the top. Alright, so and then we just make some kind of, this is a very interesting lightings. Okay. This is the regular light. If you push this, it's a blue, orange, then regular lights. Okay, there's some 3 kinds of different ones. Okay, this side, okay, this is nothing special, but 3 nice size of bathroom here, bedrooms. Then, okay, this is the kind of biggest bedrooms. And you can see this is the balcony. You can see the big backyard. And also there's a park over there. Therefore, people can see nice backyard, and then park over there. This is a nice view. All right, let's go to the basement. All right, this is a kind of basement or lower level, and then we are making this space as a family space or kind of another living space. Therefore, we're gonna put the couch here. Then this is for the TV mounts. And we have 2 speakers here. Same with the living room. Therefore, we're gonna install floor, then paint, and then this room is done. And we have another full bath here. There's no lights right now. It's a full bathtub. It was shower, and we put a new full bathtub here. Then shower head and some faucet. Then in this side, toilet and sink, and then mirror, the new lights. This is one full bath in the basement or lower level. My general contractor says 90% is done. Yeah, 80%, 90% is almost done. It took almost 3 months right now, but we are very close to the end. I'm gonna show you the final product next time. Thank you.